In other news that we are breaking to you this morning, the Tuticorin police has arrested 9 people in connection with the violence that erupted during the anti-Sterlite stir. Of the 9 accused, 6 have been charged with sedition. Remember, on the 22nd of May, police fired upon people protesting against the Sterlite factory in Tuticorin, which led to the deaths of 13 protesters. Pramod Madhav joining me on the phone line. Pramod, after 13 people died in literally a massacre that was unleashed by the police, now we hear that there has been charges of sedition that have been leveled on 6 of the accused. Can you tell us more about this?
Exactly. On the particular day when the violence occurred in Tuticorin on 22nd May, just close to 64 people were arrested, and the very next year close to 67 people were arrested. But the first 64 people who were arrested were let go by the Tuticorin court itself, claiming that there is not enough evidence and you can let them go by a warning. However, 9 people have been arrested separately who have been taken as responsible for burning the vehicles and touching public property. Apparently, what has happened is that through a circular from the government of Tamil Nadu, of the 9 people, 6 people who are already in prison have been booked under sedition charges, NSA 124A by Tamil Nadu government.
Because sedition charges, again, something which would be highly controversial in this case, isn't it? Do we have any official word on what exactly are the charges that have been leveled, on what grounds?
Absolutely. The thing is that, when it comes to Tamil Nadu, they have been using sedition charges, or we can use, we can say, misusing sedition charges in a various methods. In fact, in 2016, a singer who was also from the same group called Makkal Adhigaram was arrested because he sang a word that was against Jayalalitha. For that itself, he was booked under sedition charges. And the same group, Makkal Adhigaram, 6 people have been arrested now. However, the leaders of Makkal Adhigaram claim that this is a kind of witch hunt by Tamil Nadu government, which wants to hide whatever fact that has occurred on that day. And for that reason, they are booking these men under sedition charges. Still now, Tamil Nadu government has not released the videos of vehicles being torched yet. If those videos are released, we might come to a conclusion as to were they involved or not. But all these people belonging to Makkal Adhigaram, that particular group claims that they had nothing to do with torching vehicles in Tuticorin.
Right. So it remains to be seen whether those people were actually involved in certain activities that has invited the sedition charge, which is a very, very serious charge to level at this point in time. Thanks for joining us, Pramod, with your inputs.